best tools for living a happier life were clearly delineated under the rubric of positive psychology, founded by Martin Seligman at the University of Pennsylvania. And these are all things that are incredibly obvious. And at the end, I'll go to the one that may not be so obvious, but really sleeping well, eating correctly. And under that, like you have to figure out what fuels your body. You know, we've been taught terrible things. So you're the one who has to decide what is the best way for you to, be alert throughout the course of your day. And there's a Harvard longitudinal study over 75 years. And what they found is that the only thing that correlates strongly with happiness is the quality of your intimate relationships. So again, you have to have a balanced lifestyle on the one hand to take care of yourself, but then to keep you at the high end of your happiness spectrum, what you need to do is nourish loving relationships, intimate relationships, secure relationships. Above all, that's the most important thing that correlates strongly with you being happy. We've been taught some other things that if you earn a lot of money or party a lot, that you'll be happy. But really, it's the way you attach to other people that correlates strongly with whether you're going to be happy or not.